Hi guys, welcome back to this video. I'm Richard Butler, Video Community Manager here at PitchGround. Now, as you may have realized, the first bot we created just didn't work. It kept throwing up the incorrect answers for the questions that we had asked. Now, as always, the problem is that it is garbage in, garbage out. If you create the bot incorrectly, well, then the output that you're going to get is going to be incorrect. So it's very, very important that what you do is you plan out your bot. So what I've actually done here on this sheet here is I planned out the bot a lot better. And I've broken things off into branches. And I'm going to show you how to build this structure. So there's two branches here that I've looked at. One is, for example, what is coaching? And the second is what is the price of coaching? And I've built them out like that. So tags are words that you can group together to help the bot know what the person is talking about. So I'm going to create a couple of tags, and I'm going to call, one is called pricing. The second one I'm going to call information. And the third one I'm going to call booking. Nope, not cooking, but booking. Okay. And I'm not going to put anything in the intents here because this will come as I build a bot. So the first thing is a new key intent. And the possible questions, so remember the first thing is not the new key intent, the first thing is the constants. So let's go in and get that constant. So I am Richard's personal bot. How can I help you? And the unexpected message, I am not quite sure what you mean. Can you ask again? Okay, so in case they have any problems there. So I save both of these. Now I go to the builder. So new key intent is going to be possible questions. Hi. Hello. Good day. And I save that. Now I call this entry point, for example. And I save that. And then I click on the plus and I put in an answer block. And this one I'm going to call reply to greeting. And I'm referring back to the plan I made, reply to greeting. So the possible answer here would be, hi, how can I help? And I click on save and I click on save that. Now, the next thing is I want to have an intent. And this intent would be that the person may want to ask, for example, that I have here, the price of coaching. And remember, the red dot means that the logic hasn't been finished here. So let me just drag this out here. And this one is going to be called price of coaching. And what is the price of coaching? How much is the coaching? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the word price. I'm going to choose a tag and I'm going to say pricing. And for how much, I'm also going to choose pricing and I'm going to save that. Now, what do I want here? I want an answer to this. So the answer is going to be price per hour. And I click in a variant and I say if the tag pricing is brought up, and this is where we need to be careful, and this is where the other bot didn't work correctly. I need to say price and then fill in the answer. So this is the keyword I highlighted. The price of each session is $60. Now, I also want to say, well, if the tag pricing, if the word how much is used, also give that answer. Okay, so that's the price per hour. And then here I want to add another intent, and this is the question that the person may ask of what is coaching. So the possible questions are, what is coaching? Can you explain coaching? Tell me about coaching. Okay, and I click on save. And again, I want to put in an answer here. So this is answer to coaching. Let me just spell that correctly, add variant. And I'm going to say that if people are looking for information and the value is, now, why does it say any? Because what I haven't done here is I haven't highlighted the words. So I'm going to say what is information, explain information, tell me about, so tell me. And I just hover over that. Sometimes it just takes a second for it to come up. Okay, so here we are, information, save. Now, in my answers here, I say information, if it's what is, coaching is, okay, I click on save. And I say if information is explain or if information is tell me, these are the answers that I'll get. Okay, so that is our basic bot there. Now we're going to, in the next video, we'll look at how to connect up a form to that. So let's just train the bot, and this will take a little while, so I'll just pause the video. Okay, so the bot has been trained. Let me just go to configure, and I'm going to configure this bot on my website. So I'm going to get rid of the other one that I had, and I'm going to copy this, and let me just go back to my website. So here I am back in my website. I'm going to get rid of this code here, and I'm going to paste in that one. I'm going to update, and like I like to do, I'm just going to open in a private window, and let's have a look at this bot. So the last time that we created the bot, we had problems that it was giving us the wrong answers. So let's start off and say, hi. Price of coaching. Okay, so then I say, what is coaching? Now, we do need to be careful. You see that sometimes as it starts to learn, it'll discover sort of the ins and outs of what you're trying to say. So at the moment, it's still learning here. So if I put in how much is coaching, and again, it's not quite sure there how much is coaching. So this is still in the learning phase. Okay, the price of each session is 60. Now, the way I'm going to expand on this bot is I'm going to have it so that after somebody has asked how much coaching is, it will ask them if they'd like to book a session. So I'll see you in the next video.